will be looking at the most important functions related to the time, date, now and today, which are very much useful into our day-to-day data analysis points. So we will be discussing about the syntax at the same time how to use that. So let's start. For the time, so go into the cell, type in equal to, then time, then open bracket, then you have to give the 3 points: hour, minute and second. What is the hour, minutes and second you want to have? For example, I am currently want to have 13 hours, then I want to have 10 minutes and then 5 seconds. So see the result, it is showing 1:1 hour 10 minutes pm. Then let's check for the another am point. So open the bracket, then hour is 5 hours 40 minutes and 50 seconds, then enter. So here you can see we are having pm and am concept for the time. Now coming to the date function. In the date function, type in equal to date, then open bracket, then you have to give the year, month and day in this format. So you can give year as for example 2023, month as 12 and day as 2, and enter. So you will find it has given in your proper date to 12/2023. Same if we try with giving only less parameters, so let's see what it will give. So for example, I give comma here and then I give month as 10 month and 5th day. So what it will give? It has given us the first year, that is 00, which is not a very good point for us. So we have to always keep in mind that we have to use all these 3 points, year, month and day, so that a proper date is coming. Now coming to the now function. For the now function, type in equal to, then now, and then open bracket and then close bracket. There is no other point you have to give into this. So what it will give? It will give you the current time and date. The current time and date is for me is 4th April 2023 at 12:25. So this is the current time and date it is giving in the now function. Now coming to the today function. So type in equal to today, today, and then open bracket and then close bracket. There is no other point you have to give into this also. This both functions, that now and today, are having no other points, only their syntax is there, today and now, and enter. You will get the date. So you are getting today's date. These functions are very much useful while creating dashboards, MIS reports, data analysis, when we are to compare our data from the last day, from the first day, or calculating the age, calculating the employment status of the employees, or doing the financial analysis. At all point we require this kind of functions, that is today and now, date and time. These all 4 functions are very much important and very critical while doing this kind of analysis. See you in the next video. Thank you.